Okay, this is the steps to the veranda. And this is where we used to all play. Our neighbor used to be there, and we're still there. And I used to go like this. And the kids are hanging out. Hello!
Ekong!
Ito is our tree. This is B-Boy's room right here. It says for sale or rent. And then that used to be Kuya's room. Julius, nakabili na kayo ng lechon? Kala ko ba ikaw pinambayad?
Nakalibre nga po kami.
Nakalibre kayo.
Okay, ayaw pumayag, palit ako.
Ayaw ko tanggapin?
Bigyan na lang kami lechon. Ayun, sa iyo lang.
Sira. And I used to go all the way over there. Walk all the way there, turn right to go to school, all the way. This one with the veranda next, like not this one, but this is my best friend's house, Nanette. She used to live there. So we used to slide here. See? We used to plug this hole up, and then we used to slide here. Okay, my phone just rang. Then this used to be B-Boy's room and Kuya's room in here. Kuya's room in here. The wind is blowing the curtains. And of course this is our new bathroom. It used to just be one cubicle, and this was moved. This was moved. It used to be here, behind the door here. So we come over here. This is our living room. We used to hang out here. And now this is Y's room. Used to be Y's room. And of course this used to be our closets. A little closet there, and I open it, it looks like this. See? Okay. Then this is C's room. Knock knock. Ay, may tutulog. Never mind. C's room.
Si Jake daw, hindi ba nakapunta rito?
Oh?
Hindi mo nakarating.
At all?
Yeah.
I need the lechon receipt.
I've been hounding him on it. Lechon receipt daw, babe. And of course, this used to be my bedroom. Ooh, mother's in there. And Pang's in there. Doing some...
Ano hindi nakarating ko dito?
That's a scary question.
Ta-da! She's doing the checks and balances of smells good. We used to run down the steps and my mom and dad used to yell at us. And this is the living room. First the garage. This is Tatay's van here, but this is our garage. And my mom this used to be my mom's clinic. Ayaw mo tikman. Hindi ka nainggit? Sige. Bye, Ceci. Ito ang mga kaklaseng beauty. Hello. Okay, Skyline Chili Dip. Yes. Sarap, no? Nakalimutan kong gawin kanina. Sana kanina pa tayo kumakain yan. Teka, tingnan ko muna itong...
Nako, napapareho ko eh.
Naku, ano ba ito?
Sabaw.
Ginawa mo?
Ate Flor.
Wow.
Pagatas ng bagong...
Bagong mga anak. Okay, say cheese everybody. Si Ate Sol, ayaw niya tumingin sa litrato. Ah, tama na, tapos na. Ngayon pa. Ngayon pa. Pa. Eh, ano lang po na? Oh, ulitin pa, oh. Yan, ha?
Mga senior citizen.
Ano, Club 20 kami. 20% discount. Pwede na sa
Members only, please. This is Bing. Bong, Bing, Bong. Asawa ni Jay. Ilan na anak niyo, Bing? Huh? Oo, yan yung dip. Dali, tikman mo. Teka, titignan ko muna itong recipe dito. Ito ang recipe ni Jojo. What's this called na? Kinilaw? Mean kinilaw. Ito. May natadi ko yung kinilaw mo.
Diyan na, diyan na.
O, dali, serve mo doon. Ay, nalaglagan. Ate Baby's kinilaw. And this is Ate Baby's baby. Jo, ilan taon ka na nga ba, Jo?
26.
96?
26?
Ay, 26. Bira ka naman eh. Gulat naman ako sa iyo.
I like your hair, man.
Ano pangalan mo? Nigi?
Miggy.
Nigi like?
Miguel.
Miguel ano?
Harap ka sa camera.
Migi.
Miggy, pumapasok ka na ba? Ah, sige nga, pledge of allegiance muna. Dali, balik ka rito.
Ay! Ba't gano'n ang puwet niya? Kasi isang buong gano'n ng zipper. Wala. Tingnan mo. Hey, Miggy! Turn around, man. Turn around. Turn around. Ikot. Let me see your butt. Ay! Naman eh, nahilo naman ako dyan eh. Isa lang. Ayan. Ah!
Bibili ka muna.
Sino naman to?
Janina.
Janina, Janina. Hi, Janina! Itong dalawang magka-vibes. Hi, Brad! Patingin-tingin. Bye-bye, buddy. Don't work too hard. This is how you eat. Bye.